Here is how to fix your personal hotspot not working on your iPhone after the last update. If you can't share your internet through a hotspot on your iPhone, follow only 3 advanced processes. So let's get started. Before you do anything, please check that you enabled mobile data and your mobile data is working for YouTube. Now this works, then follow. Solution 1. Turn off low data mode first. Open Setting, tap Cellular, tap the Cellular Data option. Turn off low data mode. Go back and tap the Personal Hotspot. Toggle on Maximum Compatibility. After this, just turn off Allow Others to Join. Now turn it back now. Solution 2. Restart your device. Press and hold the power button and volume down button. Now decide to turn it off. Wait a few seconds. Turn it back on. Solution 3. Reset your hotspot. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down again, tap Transfer to reset iPhone, tap Reset All Setting. Enter your passcode, tap Reset All Setting, tap Reset All Setting again. After following all the processes, please let me know if you still have a problem in the comment section. Thanks for watching.